All right, so we are assuming that you've successfully downloaded your goal definition worksheets to your planner. Definitely make sure you remember where it is, but the cover itself will allow you to kind of take a look at a glance and see which worksheet is the one that you're looking for. So I have my goal definition worksheets 2019 here because we are about to start planning 2019 right now. So basically you can zoom in and zoom out to make it bigger or smaller to fit your needs. But basically we're going to start with the SMART goals. My SMART goals are going to really be about boosting my business, about being healthier, being organized, being stress less. So that'll be pretty much the common theme with my goals. So let's start with the SMART goals. Now again, I have it divided by business, personal, finance, health, and spiritual. You can change these as you want, but basically those are the 5 critical areas I think that most people need to organize and create goals around in order to be successful. And remember, these goals have to be SMART. That's the basic fundamental of every goal setting. If you want it to be successful and you want to be able to really reach for it, they have to be SMART. So what is SMART? Specific, measurable, aligned, realistic, and time-based. Now, if you've ever heard of SMART goals before, then most of this looks familiar to you except for aligned. And the reason why I changed the A from accountable or achievable or attainable, which is what you've probably heard before, is because it seemed too close to realistic. I mean, if it's a realistic goal, then it is achievable or it's attainable. So it was a little bit too realistic, but also because I didn't see anything in here that really connected your goals to core principles, values, or intentions that you have in your life. So I made the A to be aligned so that you are going to create goals that are aligned with your intentions. You want to do everything so that it's very intentional. And then you can see, is it realistic? You're not trying to conquer the world, right? And is it time-based? Because you've heard this before, and I'll say it again. If you have a goal that doesn't have a date on it, then it's just a dream. So definitely want to have it time-based. So again, we're talking about our SMART goals, and today I'm going to start looking at my goals. Now this is a little awkward angle for me to write in, so bear with me.